Get ready for a flavor explosion that will transform your steak nights forever. Today, we're diving into the world of Cowboy Butter steak. It's incredibly simple, unbelievably rich, and guaranteed to impress everyone at your table. Start with a beautiful, thick-cut steak, like a ribeye or New York strip. Pat it completely dry to ensure a perfect sear. Generously season both sides with coarse salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Don't be shy. This foundational seasoning is key to incredible flavor. Now for the star, Cowboy Butter. Melt unsalted butter and add finely minced garlic, fresh parsley, and chives. A squeeze of lemon juice brightens everything up. For an extra kick, include a pinch of red pepper flakes and a dash of smoked paprika. Stir it all together until fragrant and perfectly combined. Heat a cast iron skillet over high heat until it's smoking. Add a touch of high smoke point oil, then carefully place your seasoned steak in the pan. Sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side for that irresistible crust. Reduce the heat, add a generous spoonful of your cowboy butter, and baste continuously until your desired doneness. Crucially, let your steak rest for at least 5 minutes after cooking. This locks in all those delicious juices. Slice against the grain, drizzle with more of that amazing cowboy butter, and prepare for pure bliss. You absolutely have to try this recipe. Your taste buds will thank you.